What is going on? Jai Z from Jai Z Tech Domain here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Beats Studio Buds. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Beats Studio Buds are fully wireless headphones by Beats, and today we're just going to be having a look at unboxing and setup and first impressions. So this is the box you get. As you can see, it works with iPhone and Android. We've got the back of the box and some info about noise cancellation. And of course, my iPhone 14 Pro Max is not focusing. Sorry about that. So this is the box, and it's not focusing again because, why would it? It's a very small box for what it is, and it's got Apple's pull tab like everything. So after undoing the pull tab, you can see that we've got another pull tab basically, and that is for the earbuds in the case. We'll just put them aside for a minute and have a look at what else we get in the box. So in the box we have a charging cable and ear tips. So the ear tips, yep, we've got the large and small, so the medium are on the buds, and we've got a USB-C cable to USB-C. I'm surprised that just 5 minutes of charge can get 1 hour of battery life on the case, which is very impressive. So just a short little USB-C cable, however you can also use any USB-C cable you have laying around. Now let's have a look at some of the stuff we get in here. We have an Apple Music thing. You get free, I think like 3 months free of Apple Music with these, which is good. And we have some information about charging them, and how to pair them, I think. So we've also got a red Beats sticker, which is cool to see instead of an Apple sticker. And we have some documentation and stuff like that. Safety guide, warranty stuff. And that's it for in there. So now let's have a look at the main thing, the Beats themselves. They have another pull tab that you can pull, and you have access to the earbuds and the charging case. So this charging case is, what does it say here? Oh, it's just about pairing. If my camera would focus, you'd be able to read that. It just tells you how to pair, basically, to pair, keep the lid open. So these earbuds charge via USB-C. Sadly, don't have wireless charging, but let's pair them. So I'll just grab my other iPhone, and as you can see, the case is really nice. I've got it in the black colour, which has the white Beats logo, but there are, I think, 3 or 4 other different colours that you can get them in. So let's open them up and pair them. We've got a nice indicator light on the front, and here we go, Beats Studio Buds. I do like how they've integrated them just like AirPods. If I can get the lid to stay open, we'll be able to continue. So, sorry, I really should have turned on Do Not Disturb for this one. So now we can see that they're connecting, and the indicator on the light is red. You can see the battery percentage, and we can click continue. And now you can see it says Jai Z Beats Studio Buds. We've got the battery percent on the buds and battery percent of the case, and the indicator light on the front, which is cool. So I'm going to do an audio test, and I'll be back. I'll let you know how they're sounding, and yeah. So we're back, and I'm just going to say that they sound absolutely amazing. The audio quality is awesome. It's got really good bass, and for someone that likes listening to rap music, they are incredible for that. I've just put on the small ear tips because that's what fits my ear canal, and they just have the crispest and clearest sounds, as well as the tactile buttons on them, which make it really good. You can see we've got a little button inside the case, which can be used for pairing. And yeah, so I was just using them with this iPhone 11 Pro Max here, and it's just, using Apple Music, so we have access to lossless audio and spatial audio, and that is just really good. So I was just listening to a few Eminem songs, a few Dr. Dre and rap songs like that, because that's the sort of stuff I like, and just listening to Eminem like I've got up here, it was just incredible, like the bass and everything. I tried out noise cancellation, I tried out transparency mode, and I tried out obviously the normal mode. And it's just awesome. They fit in your ears well. Like, you can do a workout and they're not going to fall out. It's really good. They pack a punch. It's like awesome. It's really incredible. Like, I'm blown away. Like, I actually would say that they're the same as the AirPod Pros. and it's just incredible. So here you can see, if we go into the control center and hold down on audio, we have access to audio control. So we've got noise cancellation, which I can say is really good. It blocks out, active noise cancellation blocks out everything, and transparency mode and off. Transparency could use a bit of work, but it's good for what it is, because they're not advertised mainly for transparency, they're more advertised for noise cancellation. So let's have a look at the price for these things. In Australia, they're $230, but you can get them cheaper off like Amazon stuff. And in the US, they're $150. Obviously, there are cheaper prices and stuff. Let's have a look at the battery life on these. So with battery, they can get 24 hours of combined audio with normal listening, or 15 hours combined with the case with active noise cancellation on the whole time. And yeah, like they get about 5 hours of noise cancellation just on the buds themselves, and about 8 hours on the buds themselves with non-noise cancellation. So the downsides to these, they do not feature wireless charging, as I've already mentioned, and they don't have the H1 chip, which some people would like. I don't really care that they don't have the H1 chip. It's not a game changer for me, because yeah. So that basically concludes this video. Comment down below, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.